everyone, can you guess where I am right now? I am here at K Hair, one of the most popular and also the first human hair factory in Vietnam. Located in Bắc Ninh province, Vietnam, K Hair plays an important role in producing and distributing human hair to all over the world. And now, let's follow me to explore the factory and see how it functions, okay? The most proud fact about K Hair is that we are a real factory, not a commercial factory. Firstly, K Hair has a duty to show that Vietnam is superior to the rest of the world, not only in hair, but also other mechanized and service. K Hair has its own factory with skillful workers. We absolutely have never been a commercial company, which only buy hair from other factories and then resell at a very high cost. Moreover, the responsibility of K Hair is to raise the beauty of every woman, stimulating their belief so that they can be more self-confident. Thanks to our professional manufacturer, the products are committed to be high quality. Behind me right now is a couple of hair bundles which have just been produced by the factory and waiting to be delivered. As you can see, the hair is very smooth, silky, and stunning. Color hair which is produced by K Hair has a very perfect qualities. As you can see, this hair is dyed very colorful, very carefully and very perfect. And even if I striking it, touching it and rubbing it, it doesn't have any color smear on my hands. And now I would like to do another test, another experience to test how good this hair was dyed. Okay, now I would like to strike the hair. Very strong, very powerful. Okay, that's enough. And as you can see, my hands stay very clean, and this shows that we have the best products with the highest quality in the hair market all over the world. As you can see here, curly hair from K Hair is very silky and bouncy. It can never come out or becoming dry after several times or even long time of use. On my hand right now is the best seller bone straight hair from K Hair Factory. As you can see, the hair is very smooth, very silky, and very shiny. And this hair is made so perfectly so as to handle all the effects. And right now, I would like to do a small test, a small experience so as to prove that this is true. Okay, this hair can handle even being rubbed like this, and even like this. Okay, wow. The hair is still very silky, smooth and shiny. Vietnamese hair is human virgin hair collected from 100% Vietnam healthy woman hair donors, prominent with the durity and natural silky, which can be made to many other hairstyles without damage. And now, let's move to some reason that makes K Hair different compared to other hair companies. Well, first thing first, K Hair always produce exceptional products which stand out with a very high qualities. Secondly, hair from K Hair costs the most reasonable price due to the fact that we are a real factory, so there is no intermediate company between us and our customer. Last but not least, K Hair offers the best quality assurance forever, which is one of our unique points that no company has. As you can see from this illustration right here, our insurance policy guarantees the best benefit for our customer. With such a big factory like K Hair, we always sell big orders from 50 kilograms to 100 kilograms. But right now, K Hair is having a great deal for customers who want to buy from 10 kilograms. So if you wish to order from 10 kilograms of hair, you shouldn't miss this chance. And please be note that the minimum order quantities of K Hair is 5 bundles of hair. Firstly, about our shipping policy. K Hair always have the best benefit for wholesale buyer. For example, we offer the free shipping to Nigeria agent for Nigeria customer, and we also have a support for shipping fee to other countries through UPS and DHL. Next, I would like to talk about the insurance policy of the K Hair Factory. Well, for the people who want to import hair products from foreign countries, the first thing they need to consider is the quality insurance policy. And K Hair is the only company that produces the insurance policy forever. So what are you waiting for? Let's come here and make some order with us.